Amplification on-site rapid test kit. On-site testing, accurate and portable. Small, lightweight, easy to bring to farms, clinics, and field inspection sites. Step 1. Use the rapid nucleic acid release agent. In just 5 minutes, you get amplification-ready nucleic acids. Step 2. Take out the isothermal amplification reagent and add your sample. Step 3. Load the reagents into the device, plug in a power bank, and start the reaction. In 20 minutes, amplification is done. Just read the result right on the screen. The whole process takes only 30 minutes, and you can test up to 8 samples at once. Simple, accurate, sensitive. We bring the power of a PCR lab right to your frontline.